So looks like this flamingo is twerking.
I bet she's trying to scare out of the ground whatever it is.
Yeah. I don't know what he's doing.
In there with a giant beak like that. Oh, it's a lot longer than I thought.
And he's still doing it. Okay. Those are all the other ones. For some reason, they're not doing whatever he's doing. Wait. This guy's coming over to check out what this guy's doing.
What you got, Paul? Nothing, Robbie. Get out of here.
Now he's gonna probably do that.
And stop. There you go. We'll get that little stuff up.
Now he's doing whatever that other one did. Now they're talking.
I wish I could make that noise. I don't know if I can make that noise. I can't even do that noise. Hey, bro. Come here, Ricky. You look like you're right out of
Some of their tails are pink.
Yeah.
Imagine controlling your neck like that.
Are you ready?